back, people. Sir AP here. This is what we did in the previous video, right? We printed, or we added to the text area the pizza type and also the number of times the buy button is clicked. But in this video, we are going to display also the price. For example, you clicked the buy button twice, the gluten-free pizza buy button twice, so the price that must be printed in the JTextArea is 68. So that's what we are going to do in this video. Also, we are going to display the overall total, the last total here. So we're gonna add all the prices of all the pizza types the customer ordered. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna display first the total price for each type. So I have created here the one for the gluten, right? So what I did was I just used the variable total gluten that we declared in this pizza products panel class. So remember, we declared 8 total variables, one for each pizza type. So I just accessed that, of course, using the name of the class, which is pizza, and I converted it since it's a number. So we need to convert it to string because append only accepts string. So to show you what the output looks like, let me run it again. So I'm going to click the buy button maybe twice, and now I'm going to click the order now button. So here's the output for that. So I click the buy button, the gluten-free pizza buy button. So the gluten-free pizza text is here, and I click the button twice, so you see 2 here. And also since per piece it's $34 times 2, so it's $68. So far so good. So I did all of those pizza type. I did 8 of these, one for every pizza type. Okay, so you should do this as well. So you have 8 if statements, so one for every pizza type. Okay, so this is to display the whole line, the text, the pizza type, the number of times the pizza buy button is clicked, and the total amount of pizza type order. Okay, so and then the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna display also the overall total. The overall total is the last total in the JTextArea. So again, we are just going to append that one. So I'm just gonna copy and paste down here, right? So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna display the word total, and then followed by, where is this sample output? Okay, it's missing again. Where is the, there you go. So this is what we are trying to do now. Seriously, this is what we are trying to do. We are trying to display the total, the overall total at the bottom. So that is the sum of all the totals, right? That's simply the sum of all the totals. So I'm gonna have another line of this just to display the total. I mean the prices, the total amounts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add all. I'm gonna declare another variable here, double overall total, and that is the sum of all the totals, right? So I'm going to just copy and paste right here, plus, and then total quattro. So simply addition, right? It's very simple addition. So total quattro and then total barbecue plus total pepperoni and then total buffalo plus total chicken plus total meat lover plus total Hawaiian. And that is the overall total. Now, to remove the underlines, again, we have to specify where they are. They are in this class. We called it pizza. Okay, so I need to paste that as well. I forgot. I apologize. And what else? Here. Two more, one more. There you go. The underlines are gone. And then the one that we're going to print is the overall total. Again, it has to be converted to string since append only accepts string. So overall total is of type double, so we need to convert it to string using toString. And then after converting it to string, that's the time we append it to the JTextArea. That is in this text area, and that JTextArea is in info class, right? The info is the order information panel. Okay, let's try if this is working correctly. So let me just click the buy button for the gluten one time, one quattro for Maggie buy one time, and one barbecue chicken pizza. So I ordered 3 pizzas, so one gluten-free, one quattro, and one barbecue. So if we are going to calculate it manually, so it's going to be equal to 34 plus 13.99 plus 17.99. So that is equal to 65.98. Now let me click the order now. So we shall see the gluten-free, quattro, and barbecue chicken here with their corresponding number of times with the button is clicked, and the total for every pizza type and the overall total. There you go. The overall total is 65.98, which is correct. This is what our calculator gave us, which is correct. So I think it works. Now the only thing we need to do for the total is to use more backwards /t. So where is the total here? I need to use, I think, 2 more of the backwards /t. Let me copy and paste it here. Here we go again. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, let's see. So 1 gluten, 1 pepperoni, and 1 Hawaiian. So let's see if I have 3 pizza types plus the overall total. Oops, yep, I have gluten, I have pepperoni, and I have Hawaiian. But I think I used backwards slash T. I think I have to remove one backwards slash T, right? Okay, let me try it again for the last time. But so far so good. I saw the output I wanted to see based on what I clicked. So I'm gonna click Quattro twice and Meat Lover once. So Quattro twice and Meat Lover once, and the total is 58. So all we need to do is to adjust if the text is short, so we need to use more backward slash T. If the text is long, so we have to use less backwards slash T. So this is it, okay? And then if the number of orders is plenty, for example, I ordered all of them, the problem here is the JTextArea cannot accommodate all of them. See? So the solution to this is we're gonna use we are going to use another container which is called JScrollPane, and I will show you that later in class. But in the meantime, we saw the output that we wanted to see, right? So this is the pizza order form application. I hope you learned and understood everything we discussed in this video tutorial series. Yeah? So see you in class. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.